Hello guys, so we've come to the exciting part of the training where I'll be showing you how to create your book using BookBolt. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into your BookBolt account. Go to the menu here. Now previously when we did our product research and keyword, we used the research tab. Now we want to create our book. We're going to select the create option. Now select the create option. There are two options here. There is both mass cover converter. This is for creating your book cover. Now if you want to create book cover in mass, you can select this option, but I prefer creating my book covers and interiors together. I prefer doing everything together so that I can concentrate and give it a unique touch instead of doing a mass design and maybe everything will just look generic. I prefer giving it a unique touch, focusing on one book at a time. So it's best to do that so that you can customize it in a way that it will be unique to you and make your customers love your products more. So go ahead and select a BookBolt Studio. BookBolt Studio is where we are going to be creating this book individually, both the cover and the interior together. So once you've selected that, go ahead and click on create new project. Now click on projects and click on create new projects. Okay, click on create new project. It will an option will come out where you are going to enter the name of the book you want to create and the type of project you want to create. Now the first option is paperback and cover and interior. Now okay, if you are publishing a book on Amazon, on Kindle, in KDP, there are three options. There is a paperback, there is a hardcover, and there is a Kindle. That is the ebook version of your book. But for low content books, it means they are going to print it out. People are going to buy it, they will print it out. So we are not creating ebook. Ebook cannot be printed, but paperback can be printed. Hardcovers can be printed. So these are the two types of books you'll be creating, a paperback and a hardcover. But we'll start with the paperback. Now the design and the size of a paperback will not be the same. If you can publish, you can download, create a paperback and upload it as a hardcover. It will not work on Amazon. You have to create, after you create your paperback, come back and create hardcover. You can use the same design. It's okay. It's okay as long as it's you are using the project type as hardcover. The design, everything will adjust to your design. So for this training, we are starting with paperback. So I'm going to select paperback, cover, and interior because we are designing both the cover and interior. Now, the project name, that's the name of the book. Remember the design, the image we generated using Canva Magic Studio. We generated a dark background with, so you can name your book something similar, something that is related to the book you are creating. Let's say your book is about cats or cow. The design has cow on it. You can name it Cow Notebook so that you can, when uploading it on Amazon, you know the type, you know the book you are uploading. You will not upload the wrong book. Also, there's an option anyway. There's an option in Amazon to help you go review your book before publishing. But to be on the safe side, it's best you name your book something similar to the design so that you can recognize it when working with it. So I'm going to name this. I'm already named this insect notebook. And also another thing I love doing is to put in brackets here. I put in the size of the book because normally I publish 2 books. Like each design I make, I publish 2 size of the books. I publish the 8 by 5 by 11 for notebook. I publish the 8 by 5 by 11, 8.5 by 11. Then I publish the 6 by 9. The 6 by 9 is the small size. That's the trim size. This is a small, medium size book. And the 8.5 by 11 is the normal size notebook. So you can also do only one size. You can do more than one size. It depends on what you want to do, but this is the way you select it. Name your book, select the size of the book, then you select the color, the paper type. Now These two, this paper, black and white, white paper is cheaper in printing. That means you have more, you make more profit with it. But if you're using a standard premium color as standard, if you're using a colored paper, it would cost Amazon a lot to print the book. That means your profits will be lower. So it's best that you select this black and white with white paper. It's cheaper, and to make you, it's cheaper for Amazon to print, and your profit will be good, reasonable. Now for bleed, leave this bleed option and bleed. This bleed, what it means that your design, your book cover will cover every aspect of your cover. Okay, if you select no bleed, there will be white edge at the edge of edge of your book. So to avoid that, just select bleed so that your design will cover the whole of the whole of your book cover. Now for the page count, select the number of page you want the book to be. It can be 100, it can be 200, it can be 120. Let's leave it as 100, or no, let's leave it at 120. It will be 120 pages. So once you have entered all this information, go ahead and click on create project. Now let's click on create project. The project is going to create, I think we already have this. Okay, so once the project is being created, the first thing you need to do is to design your cover. That's the first option here. Other option, the book, and you can now use the templates and do it, but let's do the cover first. Now once you get to the cover design, the first thing I recommend you doing is to select this cover template opacity. What this does is these edges, all this what is it called, the guideline, you can remove it by hiding cover templates. So you can see, if you select this hide cover template, everything here will be removed. But if you want to use it to know, you can see, you leave it like this and use it to know where each whether you are crossing any, whether your design is in line. But I prefer removing it entirely, but I will show you what to do instead. Just click on hide cover templates. Okay, now everything is removed. Then what you need to do now is to import the image that you created using Canva Magic Studio. Go here, go to the menu option, select upload image. You want to upload an image. Where did we save? Let me see. We saved that. Where did we save this? Sorry, this is supposed to be saved somewhere. Okay, there's some design we did. I want to. Okay, good. Book cover image. This is the cover, the design we created using Canva. I'm going to select all of them. And import them inside our BookBolt Studio so that we can use other images as well to create other book cover. Select them, it will upload. Let's start with the first one. Let's go with this. So I'll select that. The image is going to be added here. All you need to do is go ahead and stretch this image. Okay, go ahead and stretch this image to fit your background. Stretch it. Okay, go ahead and stretch it so as to cover. Make sure that it covers everything. As you can see, this is the image we put it. We just stretched it to cover everything. Now that we've covered it, go ahead and set outside the box. So you can see we've created a cover. Now we can now put in let's say write notebook here, or put in a line where the user can enter their name and other information. So to do that, go ahead and go to elements. Now what I like to do is I select a shape here. I look for a good shape, a shape that is okay, like okay, let's just go with a normal rectangle. You can just play around with this. Don't just do only what I did here. Go ahead and try out different. You can try the circle, the eclipse, try out different sizes. Whichever one that is okay with you. Go ahead and select it. I'm going to select the triangle. Move it to this. This is the front page, and this is the back page. Now there's no need to write anything in the back. Just write only in the front page. So I'm going to select this. Reduce this a little. I'm going to put it here. Okay, I think here is okay. Okay, here is okay. Then I will change the background. Select a background color. Go ahead and select a background color. You can select white. Sorry, no, this color is not good. Let's select another color. Let's use white. I think white is okay. Yeah, white is okay. White is okay. So let's change the border. The border. I think. Let's see. This is the border radius. If you want the border, the edges of the border to be curved, you can go here and just select a number. Okay, sorry. Okay. I like to reduce this. Make this okay. Make it 0.3. Okay. And then what is this? This is the stroke. Okay, I just let's leave this like this. There's no need to add any. Okay, let me see. Go ahead and select this. Okay, so we're going to. I'm trying to make this size something easier, something that can fit in somebody's name and other information. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, but it's not that. Let me move it up a little. Okay, I think it's in the middle now and up. Good. So I can now write in. Let's write something. Select text, header. I'm going to select a header text, and which type of header do we need? Let me use this type of text. So select this. I'll select it, and then I'll edit it. Now edit text. Go ahead and click on edit text to edit the text here. I'm going to write in notebook. Okay, I'm going to write notebook. That was it. So now it's notebook. Then I will select it and place it there. Then reduce the size, drag it down, and place it here at the center. Place it at the center and move it up a little. All right, we have this notebook at the center. Now forget about these margins. All these margins will disappear when they are printing the book. So the margins to help you know where you are, centralize all your things and know where each thing is supposed to be. So since we've written this notebook, I'm going to select another text. Close this. Add a multiple line text. Now select the multi-line text and select it and edit. Select edit text and let's close this out and put a line dots. Okay, this is what I like to do. Okay, so just go ahead and play around with this. Okay, play around with it and make sure it's something that you are okay with. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. So I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna delete this. So I want to add a heading. Sorry, that didn't work. So I want to add a line here, like 2 lines. So let me select heading again. Select the heading, edit heading, and put dot in it. As you're putting it, you'll be seeing the size and just be checking it and make sure that it should be something that can fit in here. So once you're okay with it, click on OK, then drag it here. It's centralized. Good. Now once you're okay with it, let's see. I think it's okay. Good. Select it, right click on it and duplicate. Now once you duplicated, select your arrow down and it bring the second line down. You can see it's perfectly aligned. I click outside. As you can see, we've created our notebook and we've created this said notebook. So the person that is using the notebook can write their name here and maybe the subjects or whatever they want to write. This is typical notebook. You've created a cover. This is a unique cover only for you. You can generate so many cover using the Canva Magic Studio as I showed you in a previous video. Go ahead and create so many covers. You can use it to design so many notebook cover. Then once you are done with that, you are going to go back. Go first of all, click on save. Although it have automatically saved, just click on save to be on the safe side. Then after you are done with the cover, go ahead and click on the first page. That's page 1, the odd number. Now there is something I normally I like to make my own book a bit unique, different from others. So I kind of the first page and the last page, I kind of use something unique with it. I don't just put in a regular page everywhere. So I do the first page, I go to the page template. I want to add something like a calendar, okay, like a calendar or a to-do list. Something for that our user can use to maybe that is different from the normal pages of the book. So let's scroll down and see if there is something we can add to the first page. It's taking some time to load. Let's say search to-do list. Okay, let me search to-do list. To-do list to help us. Okay, good. So this is a to-do list. So I'm going to add this to-do list in the first page. So select it and add it to this current page, which is page 1. Since I want to add it at the first page and I'll add it only to the first page. I want to add something different to the last page. So I'll add it only the first page, then scroll down and click on next. We've selected the page that we want to add that to-do list. That's the first page. And then leave all this option the way it is. Keep aspect ratio centered. Leave it like that. Work area, consider KDP margins. This is okay. consider the KDP margins here. Leave all these extra options default the way it is and click on submit. Then we'll go back and create another page. Although we can, I think we can edit some of this. This is, I don't like this to-do list. Maybe we can change it. We can change this, right? You can either edit this or change it entirely. So let's just change it. I don't like it. I prefer to use something else. Okay, let's use this to-do list. This one is better. Let's use this current page. Click on next and submit. Just play around with this. Play around with it. Select the ones you like and remove the ones you don't like. This is overlapping. I need to. Okay. Home. I need to change. Sorry, hold on. This is overlap. All right, so we've deleted the other ones. So this will fit in very well. Okay, so that's that. We've created the first page. The first page has to-do list. Then let's go to the second page. The second page is where we're going to add a normal book template where the students can write on a normal book. So go ahead and select page template. Go back, select notebook here. Okay, now there are different types of notebook. This type, I think this type is better. This ruled with field. This is a way normal book is. Is a college the type of book we use in colleges, like college students. College ruled with field. There's a narrow ruled. This is where the lines are tiny. This narrow is still loading. I don't know, my network is a bit slow. So go ahead and select the one that fits you, but I prefer to go with this college rule. Now, what I do here, since I've selected a different page, a different design for my page 1, from this page 2 to page 99, I'm going to go to select from. There is option here on this, sorry, cancel. Or here, just select. You can either select all of them, all, and select all, to select everything, or there's a way you can select all, then deselect the ones you don't want. Since we already have a book cover, remove book cover from this. We already have a design in this page 1. Select it to remove it from the or select all. Then scroll down to the last page. Since we're using 120 pages, right? So remove the last page. I want to add something different to this last page. So I'm going to select the last page here, but every other page is going to be the same. Starting from page 2 to page 119. So click on next, and then leave all these options the way it is. Don't change anything here. Just click on submit. It's going to populate the template that we've selected. Is going to add it to each of those pages. As you can see, this is how the page looks like. It is a margin here, and this is where the person can write. You can see if you save this page from page 2 to the last page that's what is selected here. So you can go now, scroll down to the last page. This is really long. 120. Okay, select the 120th page, which is the last page. Then go to page templates again. Page templates. I want to add something. Remove to-do list. Remove notebook. I want to add something like a calendar or a planner. I don't know. Let me scroll down and see if there's something fine I can add to make it more appealing. Okay, this I want to add a calendar. Is there any calendar here? Okay, yeah, there's a calendar here. So I want to add this. Oh, this fitness calendar. Okay, I think I can see you can see use it as fitness. Add it as the fitness calendar, but just go ahead and play around with it anyway. Play around with it and find out add things that you want to be added to the notebook. It's all up to you. It's up to you to select what you want. So I'm just showing you how all these things work. So you can go ahead and make your own edits. Okay, select the things you want. This is a fitness calendar. I don't like this. I want to remove it. And so delete this. I want to add something here, something different. Let's go to page again. Let's say planner. Okay. What type of planner should we add? Oh God. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't know what to add here. Let me just add normal book that I added everywhere. Like, so you can go ahead and just take your time and go through what there are so many templates here. Just check the ones that you would like, the ones you want to be added. Select it and add it to that page. Just select the page, select it. So we've already added to this page. Only this last page remaining. So for now, I can't wrap my head around what I want to add there. So that's why I'm selecting the same thing that I've added another place and select submit. So we have all our 120 pages formatted and well organized. As you can see, if you are doing this manually, adding all this line individually, like some of the videos you see on YouTube, you see to take your time to put all this in and align them correctly. So this software saves you a lot of time in doing that. So just select all this. I think we are done. Go ahead and save your projects. Save your project. Now that you have saved it, you are ready to publish this book on Amazon. So now that we are done, to go ahead and click on download. Now, if you click on download, there are all different options to download this book. Now remember, we are publishing a paperback on Amazon. So make sure that when you are downloading, you are downloading the download correct projects printed, that's CMYK printed books. Now, what's this current project is, you are downloading everything, both the book cover and the book itself, the interior of the book itself, everything. You are downloading everything. Now, if you click on download current page, what you are downloading is this current page that is showing right now. That's the only thing that will be downloaded. If it's only the cover that you selected, that's the only thing that will be downloaded. So make sure that when you are downloading, download current project CMYK, that's printed books. Click on it, and then it will start preparing the book. It will format it, prepare it. As you can see, the preparing progress here, 14 out of 121 pages. So once this number hits 121 pages, you'll be able to download the book and save it on your desktop. So I'm going to pause this video now and wait for it to reach 121. All right, so the progress is almost done. Is 120 page now. Okay, good. So we've prepared the book and now it's preparing to download the book. It will soon download the book. Everything will be downloaded. You can now upload it to Amazon. The queue is number 4. We're waiting. Just hold on a little while we download this book. Okay. Okay. it takes time. No, we did 120 pages, so it's gonna take a little while to process all of them. It's formatting the whole book and making sure everything is in order before it download. Now it has finished formatting the book. We can now download the book inside our. We can download the book on our desktop. Let me just download it here after all. Think. Let me just download it on my desktop. After I will extract it and then upload it on Amazon. Okay, you can click on OK. Since we downloaded the book, go ahead and close this window. Okay, good. It have been downloaded. Now, once you download the book, there is what you need to do next is to extract the book. Let me go back. This is the book we downloaded. Right click on it. If you are using window, you extract. If you're using Mac as well, it's still the same. You extract it. Click on extract or extract. Now it's gonna extract, separate the interior design, that's the inside the book cover, inside the book itself, and the cover design. The cover design is separate on its own, and then the book, the interior design is also separate. So it will extract both of them so that you can upload the cover separately on Amazon and also upload the book separately on Amazon. You can't upload everything at once like that, so that's why we're extracting it. Then let me pause this video while this extract. Once it's done extracting, I will. All right, so the book I've finished extracting. Let me open it up and show you what is inside it. Okay, good. Now if you check here, you see paperback cover. This is the cover of the book. Is in a PDF format, and the interior, the paperback interior. There are two options. There are two books here. There's the paperback cover and the interior. So these are what you're going to be uploading on Amazon. Now on Amazon will tell you to upload your book. You upload it. Upload your cover. You upload it. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload all these two documents in your Amazon KDP account to publish your book. So I think we've covered everything about creating a notebook. I think if there is anything, I'll check if there's anything that I left out. I'll see, update it and let you know. But for now, we've covered every aspect of creating a notebook. So the next video will show you how to upload this book on Amazon. So let's go to the next video so that I will show you how this is done.